Good morning everybody and welcome to this webinar on portal technology and the less paper world. My name's Ian Fletcher and I'm here to introduce Alison Jackson. Good morning, Alison.
Good morning, Ian.
And you're from Linden House, and tell us about yourself, Alison, and what we're going to talk about today.
Okay, well, Linden House have primarily been document management providers for many years, but we now see the next generation moving more towards portal technology as the best way to communicate with your clients. So we've very much got an integrated solution that includes the portal within the document management, so very efficient and seamless technology. And what I'm hopefully going to show this morning is going to excite lots of people. Why do we think you should use a portal for client communication? Well, firstly, it's the most secure way to communicate with your clients. I know 2020 have spoken, frequently about the situation in the States where it's illegal now in 44 states to send emails that contain data.
Yeah, and there's a European directive on its way that will say the same in Europe very shortly.
So very soon email is not going to be a possible means of communication. Obviously postage and stamps, snail mail, whatever you want to call it, that's a thing of the past. So the only really way to communicate is through the portal. It's going to be very efficient. All documentation will be received immediately. We live in a very, very fast world with people twittering and tweeting, and people want to know things straight away, if not yesterday. So what it's going to do is your clients will be able to sign documents off. Obviously, this will revolutionize tax returns, year-end accounts, P35s, letters, invoices. Your clients can also store their own information on the portal if you want to give them that option. So it's a secure repository for information that's very important to them, and you can actually charge for that service if you want to, or just offer it as an extra additional nice to have. Clients can upload documents to you. Now this is quite important. If you want to send a client a letter and say, please upload me your bank statements or receipts or your dividend vouchers, they can send information back into your in-tray. So it's a great way of receiving documentation, again, in a secure environment. So within our document management system,
which is called Virtual Cabinet, that's yours, is it?
Yeah, this is an in-tray of documents we have that have come in, and basically we can just file a document into the filing system.
Now if you're watching on screen, what Alison is doing is just dragging and dropping the documents that have come into her in-tray into her cabinets, her various filing system, electronic filing system.
Yeah, we integrate with Sage, with Iris, Practice Engine, CCH, all sorts of software companies, that we can connect the two systems together so you're not using two separate applications.
Okay, so what you've got here is a document that you're going to publish to the portal or effectively send to the client electronically.
Yeah, I'm publishing it to the cloud. You are my client, Ian, so I'm going to send this to Ian Fletcher at 2020. So I'm now publishing that directly to the cloud, and it says it's now securely published, so I'll say OK. What the client will then see is they will receive an email. I'm now logged on, Ian, as you. This will say Alison Jackson has sent you a document. So
that's my email, is it?
This is your email address. This document requires your attention. You click here to view the document.
So where does it take me to? This is the secure website or the secure portal?
It's the portal. It's not really a website as such.
So what you've done is you put your username in and password, and now I can see the document that you've published for me.
Yeah, this is the document that's now come up on the screen. It's published on the portal, opening up every page.